behind me is the cheapest drag car in the world. I was gonna say UK, honestly it's the cheapest drag car in the world. What you guys think it is? Ooh. What could it be? Oh, I wonder. Just look at it. Where should we unwrap it from first? You know what? Let's start from the back. Alrighty. Whoa. Any guesses? Got a limited edition flat wheel. It's got the best paintwork on the planet. Comes with this factory finish, some lacquer peel, standard. Got some more of that. This is absolutely limited edition. You guys clocked it yet? Getting closer. Even closer. Got some condensation between the windscreen. Well, I think it's condensation. It's not been sealed very well. Get the front off and... would you look at that? It is a purple Honda Civic EG Coupe, 1995, baby. You know, ever since BMT introduced me to drag racing, I always wanted the EG Coupe. They've got the hatch and the 4-door, and they should slot right in. It's going to start off as a street car, and then eventually, bit by bit, the way the S2000 was supposed to be, it's going to be a drag car. Comes with optional extra weight reduction. A lot more weight reduction here. It's a bit cruddy. It's not too bad. Arches are blistering. Need to remove this weather strip. So, oh, here we go. Ah, yucky. Yeah, it's a bit crusty down the bottom. Hopefully we can get that sorted. Let's have a look around the other side. Not looking too bad here. Well, the inner arch is freaking crusty. Look at that. Nothing we can't get fixed. No blistering on this arch. Don't look too bad. Let's remove this strip. Mr. Sabil, he's going to be very happy. He absolutely hates these. Ah, yucky. Other than that, driver's side don't look too bad. Some lacquer peel, but I'm really liking the colour. Would have liked to have gone midnight purple, but it is good. Marvellous. At least one of the freaking tyres has air. The rest of them don't. Tried inflating them, but don't inflate. But it doesn't matter. What we got? 19550 15s. Oh, some more weight reduction. Well, that's a hell of a lot of filler. Ooh. I mean, it was catted, so look at it. So cute. Flat tires galore. So I'm interested to see how this colour is going to polish out. Got loads of these little black marks in the paint. Hopefully it's on top. Look, a cat's been active here. Passenger side is looking pretty good, other than the rust holes. How is it looking from the inside? You know, it's been parked up for around 7 years. Look at the state on it. It's got spider webs. Also ambient lighting. That's pretty snazzy. It's got little Civic coupe floor mats. My god, it's filthy in here. Actually, it's not too bad. Car that's 30 years old. How many miles? 108,000 on the clock. And it's got a freaking pan roof, or a sunroof, or whatever you call it in here. We're going to test if that works in a bit. Look at the ambient lighting. That is funky. Guy who had this earlier, what were you doing? But he looked after the interior, I'm not going to lie. Look at the seats. Oh, these are going to come out so nice and clean. Oh, he's got ambient lights in the freaking, in the roof. That is insane. Fair play to the guy. Back bench looking brand new. Bit dirty. Sit inside it, baby. This is mad. Sat in a 30-year-old Honda. This is insane. Look at it. So simple. Some guy had an aftermarket stereo system in here, definitely. 108,000 miles. It's not too bad, 30 years old. It's in the glove box. Oh, 9. Oh, got some fuses. Ooh, nothing. Wait for it. Every curious kid growing up in the 90s burnt their fingers on one of these. Oh, it was green. What's that guy been smoking? Shall we see if it starts? So it's got an immobilizer. We just have to put right there. And... okay, we have life. 30 years old. And it starts first time. That is insane. Everything's cold, no engine lights. Oh, I don't care about this engine. I'll rev it if it's cold. Damn, son. Should we see if the pan roof works? What's this one? Oh, that's tilted it. Fully open it. Oh my days! Works! 30 years old and it freaking works. Wowza. Oh, it's a bit fuely. Well, definitely got a blow in the exhaust. Freaking stinks. Pop the bonnet. Oof. Oh. Bonnet release don't work. Fantastic. Look at that. Working pattern roof after 30 years. Oh. Oh, hoy! It's got an intake. It's an AM intake. Oh, it's a non-VTEC 16 valve, probably a 1.5. Honda of America. Wonder why the bonnet don't close. It's a bit of a rattle, a bit of a nut. Okay, I got a confession to make. The battery is flat and I did have to change the battery. But other than that, started fantastic. Look at it. That's an S2000 battery from there. Look at it. Holy moly, that is black. Don't care about the level. Definitely blowing, definitely. It's actually so clean, so clean. Do not jump start when battery fluid is frozen. Very nice. Speaker wire run into the boot, I imagine. K24 soon come. We're gonna blow this engine up first and then K-swap it. I'm thinking mayonnaise for engine oil. That is gonna be great. Comment below how we should blow this up. Don't bloody close. Now let's open the boot. How do you open the boot? Oh, here we go. Did that open? Oh yeah, it did. Oh, what's in here? Oh, there's a spare wing. That's nice. Oh, there's the rest of the exhaust. That is insane. Got bits of shit in here. Loads of bits of shit. Got a spare tyre. Oh, it's a Pirelli spare tyre as well. There's the speaker wire coming into the boot. Oh, that's part of the intake, I imagine. Yes, it is. Bin all of that. Got this car out. Got a fire extinguisher. Should I use it? Psst, never. Don't be mad. It's going to be a fantastic project. But look at her. Where's the heat? You know, I'm not going to lie. I've always wanted a purple car. I wanted to paint this midnight purple. But I'm really liking the colour so far. We're going to polish it up, see how it looks. But to start this video, you heard me say the UK's cheapest drag car, or the cheapest drag car in the world. Although it's not a drag car yet, it was incredibly cheap. £375. Running, driving, minters. Got some weight reduction holes, but we're not going to talk about those. See, we've got a working sunroof. Look at that. Way. Tires are flat, but who cares? Needs coilovers and alloys ASAP, and the K-swap needs to happen ASAP. This is going to be a really fun journey. Another wicked, amazing project car. That may have to go on the back burner now, but we'll see. Please like and subscribe to follow this little coupe's amazing journey. It's going to be a fun one, we hope. See you soon.